Hi everyone! Welcome back po sa aming channel. Happy Sunday! Pupunta kami ngayon ulit sa Walmart kasi ipapagawa doon ni Mister yung kanyang nasirang phone. Pero nakapunta na siya doon sa kanyang mobile provider, nakakuha na siya ng phone. Kinuha niya yung Samsung S25 Ultra, yung bago nila. Hindi kasi maka-iPhone si Mister, ayaw niya mag-iPhone. And ayun, okay siya. Okay naman yung phone, pero gusto niya pa din na ipaayos yung dati niyang phone. And ayun, nadalhin namin sa Walmart ngayon. Tapos may mga bibilhin din kaming ilang items na hindi namin nabili last time, like yung strawberries, kasi nung namili kami last time, hindi available yung strawberries sa Walmart. Tapos may mga iba pa kami na nakalimutan. So ayun ang aming gagawin for today. Supposedly babalik niya sa work today. Kaso may mga kailangan pa raw ayusin doon sa kanyang, ng manager niya. Mga paperworks or something like that. So baka Tuesday pa siya makabalik sa work, which is a good thing for me. Kasi ayoko talaga muna siyang bumalik sana. Pero ganun talaga, kailangan niyang bumalik. Kung hindi, nako, baka sa kangkungan kami pulutin. Although nag-work ako noon as part-time, pero hindi yun enough para ma-cover lahat yung aming bills. So, yun po ang aming agenda for today. Samahan nyo kami. So, dito na kami guys. Wala pa rin strawberries. Wala pa rin tayo strawberries. No strawberries. So, habang inaantay namin yung phone ni Mister, 30 to 45 minutes lang naman daw. Ikot-ikot muna kami dito. Love, look at the jeans. One jeans.
You want that?
Too big.
Huh?
It's too big. This one, extra small. How much is this? Is that a calendar? Kami dito guys, mabilisan lang kami. May konti lang yung binili namin. Yung nga, pinagawa lang namin yung cellphone ni Mister. Hi Zelda!
Hi, Tita!
Hi Zelda! Say hi Zelda! Nagtatami time si Zelda.
Hi, Tita!
Hello Zelda! Here! You have to show it here! Pinaparinig ni Zeta yung niya, yung laruan niya. Kaso ando naman siya sa likuran.
Hi,
Here!
Tita!
You should be here in front of her.
Hi, Tita!
Hello Zelda! Hi Zelda! Aww.
Titi!
Cutie pie!
Popeye!
Say hi, cutie pie, Zelda. Hey, be careful, baby, ha? Baka tamaan mo yung ulo niya.
With toy! A toy!
Yeah, show her your toy.
A toy!
Show her your toy. Here, you should be in front of her. Hi, Zelda.
Tita. Hi, Tita.
Hello, Zelda. Nahirapan natin si Zelda.
Titi.
Oh, that's enough na, baby. That's already more than 1 minute. 2 months ka pa lang naman. Show them that you know how to play the flute, baby. Kasi yung dada niya, laging pinapanood or pinapakita kay Zayta na nagpe-play siya ng flute. So, gusto na rin niya mag-play ng flute. Wow! Ay! You can see her, Are you...
Baby, blow.
Go!
Like,
Go, Daddy! Ang kalat na naman. Si Zelda andito sa higaan ni Zayta. Go, play the flute. Wow! Oh, are you feeding your baby sister? What a sweet little Ate Zita. Are you feeding her? Give it. Oh, give it to her. Give it to baby Zelda. Yeah, give a bottle to your baby sister. So, ayun na nga guys, kakauwi lang namin. Naudlot talaga yung pagbabalik ni Mr. sa work ng Sunday. Pero okay na din kasi ngayon yung mata niya is nagkaroon siya ng bad allergy. So, nagluluha yung kanyang mata. Left eye ata. And sobrang saya ko na naudlot. Pero, ayun nga. Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday ata siya babalik ng work. Hindi pa siya kinakontak ulit ng kanyang manager. Sabi ko, call back siya. Pero wala pa kasi nga weekends. Mukhang hindi nagwo-work yung kanyang superior ng weekends. Pinapadede ko si Zelda. Si Zayta nauutusan na yan. Pagka kailangan kong palitan ng diaper, ito si baby Zelda. Sasabihin ko, go get the diaper and wet wipes of baby Zelda. Kinukuha niya. Dahil siya na rin nagtapon nung used diaper sa basurahan. Nakakatuwa. Zayta, what you doing? What are you doing, baby? What is she doing?
playing with her food.
Pinaglalaroan na naman niya yung kanyang flute.
It's a tin whistle.
10 whistle?
Tin whistle.
Oo.
I'm gonna watch.
Tapos, love, how much did you pay for the repair of your old cellphone?
$233.
Yung pa-repair nung kanyang old cellphone, $233. Hindi ko ba alam dito kung bakit niya pinagawa pa yun. Meron na naman siyang bagong cellphone. Yung kasing mga yata, yung mga pictures, hindi na transfer dito sa bago niyang cellphone. So, nagbayad pa siya. Ang mahal ng paggawa. Tapos, ginawa nila mga 30 to 45 minutes lang.
Fishy baby.
Wala namang gagamit ng phone na yun. La, what can you say about your new phone?
I don't know. It's got a nice speaker.
Ayun, maganda yung yung kanyang phone. How about the camera?
I guess the cameras are good, but I don't really use them.
Yeah, because you don't take
I can
videos.
film forward and backward at the same time, so
Yeah.
when I'm driving, I can film me in the road.
I think it has that feature. Samsung has that feature for a long time already.
Yeah, maybe.
Kasi nga siya, maka-Samsung. Why don't you like iPhone? Ako hindi pa ako nakuha ng bagong phone kasi hindi ko pa naman kailangan. Hindi rin kasi ako masyadong maka-phone yung mga latest. Basta nagagamit okay na. Dati siguro nung medyo bata-bata pa ako. Pero ngayon hindi na. Basta nagagamit pa siya, go lang. Baby, I don't know how to play the flute. Go sing. Da, da, da. Aha. Aha. You really wanna play the flute? Go play the flute. Play the flute for them. Ay! Baby, be careful, ha? Say bye-bye na to them. Come here. So, tapusin ko na po ang video dito. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel. And if you are new here, please do consider subscribing. And if you are watching, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have a Facebook account, please follow us in our Facebook page. Same social media handle, which is ano ba yung baby? Life with the Rose Fam. So thank you so much again for your support and see you again next time.
Bye.
I love you. Say I love you. Scary Marinka ding ding. Scary Marinka do.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Scary Marinka ding ding. Scary Marinka do. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Oh, scary Marinka ding ding. Scary Marinka do.
Yeah.